Hey, welcome guys, this is Victor from Bike Studio. So in this video I want to show you how you can design a customized t-shirt for printing just like this in your Photoshop. So I'll be taking you through the step which I take in making this particular design. This is very easy to do with your Photoshop. So without any further much ado, let's get right into the video while I show you this. So first of all, you launch your Photoshop. We'll be using Photoshop for this design. So the design I use on the t-shirt, I've already done them with my COREL, so we'll go over to Photoshop while I do this. And then I have a mockup here which I'm going to use, so I'm going to leave a link down below so that you can get access to this mockup, and then you download and then you can also try yours. Alright, so I'll try to open the mockup here. So wait a little, let the mockup open up. So alright, so here is the mockup. So we are going to customize this to our own liking. So you can get this mockup and then do anything you want, but just follow this tutorial on how I made this particular t-shirt. So first of all, we are going to head over to our layer here, and then we'll click this group 1 here. So you can see all the labels here, the left stripe, right stripe, inside, bottom, body. So first of all, what I'm going to do here is to go over to the body here, and then we customize it first before we go start doing any other thing. So go over to the body here, and then double click right here where you see smart nail thumbnail here, then you double click that here, and then something like this will pop up. Guys, after your editing content, choose file, and then make sure you save before you come back here. So just hit on OK, and then we are going to keep the layers. Okay, don't go and make a mistake and you click on flat. So we're going to keep the layer. So this is the design here. So we're going to customize this now. So first of all, I'm going to bring in the design which I made from COREL to this. So I go over to the folder, and then I'll bring the design here. So I'll bring something like this here, and then I will try to scale this up a little. Yes, I'll scale it up like this. Okay. I'll scale this one down here, and then I'll go over to the folder again, bring up the design. So I'm going to use this person here. Make sure you leave a like on this video if this is your first time seeing my video here. Don't forget to subscribe, and then you turn on the notification bell to receive a notification whenever I release any video like this, so that you won't miss any of my videos, guys. So I drop this here. So I go over to the body here, hold my control, and then select this other part. Hold my control, select this other part, and then go over here, and then I'll align horizontally center. So I'll align this. So I'll go over to the folder again, bring up my design on the t-shirt. So I'll bring this one here. Okay, so I'm going to scale this up. A little. So I will select that, and then hold my control, select the body again, and then align horizontally. Okay, I think we are good to go here. So let's save it, and then let's see how the design is now looking. Okay, so we go to the design and let's see. So you can see how the design is now looking. This is not the exact what I want, so we're going to add some little stripes to that. So if you should check the design which I've made, come, let me show you again. If you should check on the design, you see that we have some stripes around the t-shirt. For example, where you are seeing this white here, so we are going to add those stuffs now. So we are going to go back to the body again, so that will start that editing on that side. So I'm going to take this one down here a little. So I'm going to bring this one down a little. Let's do something like this. Take this one down and then select this one again, bring it down a little. Okay, so I'll reduce the size just small. Okay, so and then what you are going to do is you're going to pick up your rectangle too, and then we're going to draw a rectangle like this. So we're going to give a color white to that. So we'll leave this color like this. It's already in white color. So we're going to duplicate this rectangle here. So I hold on my Alt, I duplicate down here. So I will just resize this rectangle. Hold on your Shift and your Alt while you resize this rectangle here again. So mark it and then bring, do that again. Hold your Shift and your Alt while you do this. You have something like this, then mark it. So we'll take this here. So let's bring this one down here a little. Let me zoom so that we can see. So we reduce this here a little again. So hold on your Alt to duplicate this again and drag. Hold your Alt and drag to this point. So we are going to make this one a little bit tiny. So we have something like this. Okay. Alright. This. I think we are now having this. So let's save so that we can see what we have. Ctrl S to save. Okay, so we go back to where we have the mock-up shirt now. Alright, so this is how it's now looking. I believe it's now turned into something we want. So finally I'm going to add a logo to the upper left shirt of the shirt. So I'm going to go to the folder where I'll have the logo. Alright, so I'll bring the logo here. I think the logo is down, so in order for you to bring it out, the logo is now up. So I'll take the logo up here. I'll take the logo up here. Reduce the size of the logo. Sorry, let's reduce the size again. Hold on your Shift and then we reduce the size this way. Okay, so hit on this and then we bring it to this part. Yeah, I'm going to leave it to this part. Let's reduce the size a little. Okay, So take this here. I think we have something like this, so we save. Let's see what you're having. Right, let's go back to the mockup shell. Let's see. Okay, so this is what we are having right now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to just change the color for the neck, collar, the hand here and everything. So okay, so since we now have what we want, so first of all we are going to change the color for this left hand stripe. So come to this part where you are having the color sign showing here. So this is what you do. You just click on the color and then something like this will pop up, and then you give it the color that you want. So we are going to give a yellow color to that. So we're going to pick this yellow color from this design. Okay, so you say okay, and then so don't forget to leave a like on this video, share this video, and then you can check down below to get the resources I'm using to do this. Okay, so we change the color of this other hand to give the color, pick the color here, and then we say okay, and then inside what we're going to do is okay, the button, will leave the button, give the button this color blue. So this is the button, give it color blue here, and then the left sleeve, I think we'll leave that on blue, but we're going to pick this blue here. See, okay, so pick this blue here. So this is very simple to do. Don't forget to leave this a like on this video, leave a like on this video. And then for the color right now, so this is what we're going to do. We double click and then we give this yellow color here. So this is it. So this is very simple to do. This is very simple to do. Alright, so we now have what we want here in our Photoshop. So if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like on this video, and if this is your first time, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Why? And if you don't want to miss any of my content, turn off the notification bell so that you can receive updates on my videos. So I want to see you in the next video, guys. So leave your comment down below concerning this video and how you feel about this video. I want to see you in my next video. Goodbye, guys.